One. Okay. Mimi Lele! Hi friends! So today we're gonna make healthy brownie. Yay! So we're gonna do cacao. Wow! So we're gonna need baking soda. We also need eggs. Oh my god, that's so bananas! It's so easy, and we're gonna show you just watch. Now we're gonna smash the banana. Usually I just cut a banana. Okay, that's one banana. Okay, the egg. I'm gonna crack it and I'm gonna open one. Okay. Now we're gonna get 2 spoons of cocoa. Okay. 2. And now just a little bit of baking. Yeah. Yay! One more. Okay, there we can clean that up.
Oh my!
Now we're gonna add the banana and the smashed banana. Oh my god. So we're gonna put this on microwave for 2 minutes. Yay! 2 and now start. Okay, good job. Oh no, that's 2 seconds. 2, 0, 0. Start. It's start. Now we just wait. So the healthy banana cake is ready. Wow. Let's enjoy. So I just put 1 cherry and a few nuts. Let's eat. Delicious. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Bye.